So this is day 13 of yapping, and someone is pretending to sleep and told me to like waking up so that he can be in video. Say hi. Yeah. Okay, now you sleep. Let me talk. So today we're gonna talk about emotional intelligence. Today I'm gonna speak a little bit in a lower voice cause we are in traveling, and an Indian should must have civic sense. So what is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is not a rocket science, and it's not something theory that you can learn or you can uh, read it from a book and just apply it in your life. You learn this skill in real life situation. So there are few signs that indicate that you are emotionally intelligent. uh, some of them are when you don't react immediately when you have to prove a point, okay, and when you understand that someone is upset without even when they are saying that I'm okay, and when you okay, we are talking about something very serious, okay, and when you take criticism without breaking down, and when you um like take compliments without flying too high, and etc etc. It's basically emotionally being emotionally mature, and having the sense of how to react in which situation, being not too emotional, or not to be so dumb that you so basically one second. And the most important thing is that you can't learn this skill in school, okay, or through any book or through any podcast or anything else. You learn the skill when you get embarrass yourself by life, like when you get embarrassed by life few times, or when you get hurt by people in different situations, etc etc. So yeah, enough for today. I hope we all become emotionally mature and emotionally intelligent, because being vulnerable is sometimes okay but not always. You have to be emotionally intelligent. I'm so sorry I choose this topic today in such a chaos, but I really wanted to talk about this topic because on this trip I have experienced this thing, and I had a breakdown, and etc etc. This video is gonna be 3 minutes, something something seconds. So yeah, enough. Bye bye.